After I'd discovered this trick, my house never again had ants, cockroaches, flies and mosquitoes in a part. First, I will use the peels of an onion. All parts that would be discarded from the onion can also use. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Will and Richel. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Then the same with garlic. We will use all the peels and parts that would be discarded. This trick is simple. I use in all doors and windows of my house. No insect even enters more. Whenever I have visits at home and tell about this tip, everyone is surprised with the result. In a short time, I can make this mixture and helps me day to day. Next, I will add 200 milliliters of water. We will turn on low heat and go mixing well until boiling water. This mixture is very efficient. After telling me here how it was to have your home free of insects, after the water boils carefully, I will remove from the fire, and with the help of a sieve, we will separate the shells and pass only the liquid to another container. Now I will use 2 tablespoons of alcohol, being an indispensable item for its bactericidal effect. Ideal now is to mix very well. This trick is so simple that what makes it effective are things that would be thrown away. Next, I will also add 2 tablespoons of detergent, directly aiding in the removal of fats. We will mix one last time, and with this, we will have the tip ready for use, remembering that it is also good to use in drains and any passage that has contact with the external area of your home. And the more frequent the use of this mixture, the more effective with time it will become. To help in the use of this mixture, I will put the liquid in a spray bottle. For this, I am using a funnel to avoid waste. And after putting all the liquid, we will cover and is already ready for use. Only a small amount of this liquid already makes this area as an insect repellent on all surfaces. I have problems with insects. I use this product for at least 2 times a week, and only this amount we made is enough to have use for at least a month. Tell me later if you got the result you expected. This tip, do it in your home and after use. I hope it ends the problems you may have with insects. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.